Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today, as you don't know me already, I'm Red Wolf and I do Wolf Cool Town videos. What's a town what I've made from scratch on paper, and I've drawn it all and I do episodes of it. And I do magnet fishing videos, and I also do vlogs of my weekly life and events. This video is Rochdale light switch on vlog, and it's only a short vlog, this one, so enjoy. Hello to Rochdale light switch on. This is a Rochdale light switch on vlog, and I'm going to be doing a vlog of Rochdale light switch on. So what's coming up next week will be the magnet fishing video. What's going to be called magnet fishing video found knife, and that's where I found a knife in the canoe. That'll be next week. That video will be going up, and this one's a light switch on vlog in Rochdale. This is where it's going on near Rochdale Town Hall. Got a Christmas tree. What's going on? Christmas markets are in Rochdale Town Hall, so that's where we're going to go in now. At Rochdale Town Hall. Light switch on, Rochdale light switch on, with Alicia, my cousin. And yeah, Christmas markets are in there, and they normally go in there to do the countdown, the balcony. And yeah, a lot of stuff to do and a lot of stuff to film, and I can also tell you stuff about my channel too. Me and all where the Christmas markets are. Loads of Christmas markets in here. In the main hall of the town hall.
Good on you, thank you very much.
Switch on the lights in a minute.
2, 1, Merry Christmas!
Yeah, it's the end of the light switch on now. Wasn't better than last year's light switch on. If you like it, make sure you press the like. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you've already subscribed, make sure you get your friends and family to subscribe. Bye, and thanks for watching. Also, if you want a free shout out at the end of the video, all you have to do is look for the Wolf Cool Town stickers. And if you see your Wolf Cool Town stickers, take a picture of it and put it on the Spot the Wolf Cool Town group on Facebook. Bye, and thanks for watching.